This person over here has made over $282,400 creating simple artificial intelligence chatbots for businesses. But what nobody knows is this person is using a simple little messenger chatbot generator with this tool over here that does all of the hard work for them. And now that I've revealed their secret, I'm going to teach you how to do the same. I know this may sound a little bit too good to be true, but this chatbot generator can actually make you money online. This strategy is super easy to do. It's already done for you. This chatbot has already been created for you, and I'm going to show you how to get this chatbot to generate you income online. We're not going to be selling anything. We're not going to be doing affiliate marketing, and this is not going to be some kind of bot trading or trading with bots. This is going to be a very unique way to make money online, and quite a couple of people have been doing this already and have been successful with this. Not many, so this is a great time to use this strategy to capitalize on minimal competition to make the most money online. Without further ado, we're not going to get any time wasted, and let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how to make money online. If you want to follow my journey, learn different tricks, tips, strategies, trainings and webinars on how to make money online, build a successful business, whether it's in affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, and selling high income skills and services online, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, leave a like on this video, and comment down below if there's any specific topic that you need help with. And I'm also going to be doing an epic giveaway in today's video, and I'm going to announce the winner of the 6-figure drop servicing university bootcamp that I did in yesterday's video, so make sure to watch until the end to see who won that copy of that bootcamp. If you want to stand a chance to win $20 in this video, all you need to do is leave a like, make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on, and comment down below how many times I say the word chatbot in this video. If you can comment down below the right number, I will choose a random comment out of the people who got it right, and I will announce you as a winner in tomorrow's video. The first step is we're going to go to this unique website that I've been using for the last year that has recently created this new tool called the Messenger Chatbot. Over here on my screen is a tool called Builderall.com. Builderall is an all-in-one business-in-a-box tool for aspiring entrepreneurs, individuals that want to build successful funnels and landing pages and checkouts and get paid online for your specific service or product that you're selling. You can collect and manage unlimited leads. You can access everything you need for your 7-figure launch. You can automate your marketing, engagement, and sales, sell your content, courses, or training, and build an authority and a professional online presence. If you come over to this website, take a look at all of these tools you get over here. The best and fastest drag and drop website builder, membership websites, unlimited email marketing, a chatbot and a site bot, a chat builder, which are the two tools that we're going to use for this bot to make us money online. If you scroll down some more, you can take a look at more in-depth information on what these different tools have. But I want to show you the best part about this website. If you come up to the top and click on plans over here, this tool can be a little bit pricey. It's actually one of the best priced tools on the internet, but don't worry, you're not going to pay any of this. Firstly, you've got the starter package, which is $29.90 a month. You've got the premium package, which is $69 a month. And then you've got the funnel, which is the $99 package, which is the same package I'm on. But if you want to get this tool for $1, I've become a premium affiliate for this tool where I can give you this tool for $1 exclusively. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description down below. And on the checkout, this tool will automatically be marked down to just $1. Once you've used the link down below and logged into your dashboard, this is what your Builderall dashboard will look like. You need to hover over to the apps page over here. If you scroll towards the middle of the email and engagement section, you will see Messenger Chatbot. Click on Messenger Chatbot. It's going to prompt you with this page over here. You need to click on Continue with Facebook. Log in with your Facebook account. Your Facebook page or profile will automatically be connected. You need to come over to the left, click on Flows, and click on Create a new flow. Let's just enter a flow name, Flow 1, and click on Submit. In order to go and build our flow, we need some message templates for our bot to send out. So if you come over to this website called mobilemonkey.com/blog 2018-10 Facebook Messenger Chatbot templates, Take a look at this. This website provides you 14 ready-made chatbots you can clone today. You've got a real estate chatbot, lead generation chatbot, e-commerce chatbot, beauty salon chatbot, auto repair, dentist and office, gym, personal trainer, restaurant, podcast, marketing agency, Cat Howell's lead qualifying agency bot, survey chatbot, and a contest chatbot. Let's, for example, click on real estate chatbot, and over here, we can use these templates over here that we can go and copy and paste to use in our template. All you're going to do is click on explore the real estate chatbot messenger in here. Click on continue with your account. All you want to do is click on get started and take a look at what this chatbot does. You can type hi there, click on enter, and it will reply with the following response automatically. Every realtor is just the one a ninja in a blazer. Welcome, I'm RealtyBot and I'm happy to answer your questions about buying, selling or renting a home. Are you buying, selling or renting? You can choose, for example, selling if you want to, and it will automatically respond with selling. If you give it a couple of seconds, you will see it will respond. So you're looking to sell? Let me ask you a few questions. Do you currently have this home listed with an agent? You can click on no. How soon do you need to sell your home? As soon as possible. What is your property address? And you enter your address. Now what you can go and do is you can go and copy these templates. So let's come back to our chatbot builder over here. You want to click on text with buttons over here. For the text of your message, you want to copy this message over here. Welcome, I'm RealityBot and I'm happy to answer your questions. Paste this over here, and for your button label, you want to click on this. You want to make this button called buying, and you want to choose go to step over here. You want to create a new step and click on save. Over here, this new step, you want to rename the buying step, because remember, obviously, if this person selects buying, selling or renting, it's going to take them to different flows and different questions. So we need to set up those different questions depending on the option that your lead selects. So for the buying step, we can click on buying over here, and let's see what they respond with. Over here, you can see how exciting. We would be more than happy to help you out. So let's copy this as our title, and we're going to go and post this over here. And you can add a new step, which could be the selling step over here. You can type for the go text. So then you just want to come scroll up and click on selling and take a look at this bot's response. We can click on so you're selling. Let me ask you a few questions. Paste this over here and come back to copy this second question over here. Do you currently have this home listed with any agents? Click on save changes, and this is your selling step that has now been created. Now all you want to do is you want to go through all of these steps, copy these same steps into this Facebook chatbot over here and save this entire chatbot. Once you've saved, you then want to click on automation on the left over here, select your Facebook page that you've connected to this tool, click on the checkbox over here and click on the flow one that you've created. Now you'll see when you go over to your Facebook page and message your Facebook page, it will respond with those automatic responses that you've set up. Now, as you can see, this took me 5 to 10 minutes to set up. It's not hard at all. This builder or tool already has everything made for you. You just need to put everything together like I showed you. Now take a look at this. On this website over here are people getting paid to create these kind of chatbots. This person creates artificial intelligence chatbots for your business, which I just created, and he charges $80. And he's had so far 3,530 reviews, meaning this person has had a minimum of 3,530 orders. Let's take out the calculator and work this out. 80 multiplied by 3,530. This is over $282,400 this person has made from this bot so far. Because what most people think about is, oh, it takes so much effort, studying and qualifications to code these kind of artificial intelligence chatbots. I will never be able to learn how to do that. And people are willing to pay a lot of money to get one set up for their business. But what they don't know about is there are these kind of tools that I just showed you over here on the screen, how you can set this up in 5 to 10 minutes. And you can go and sell these bots and make massive money online. This person over here has proven to make over $200,000 online. And if I scroll down, there's currently only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 people that are listing on this website. So the competition for this is extremely low. All you need to do is list your gig on peopleperhour.com, selling your chatbot, Get 1 or 2 sales through, for example, Facebook traffic or Instagram traffic to rank your gig to the top, and you'll be getting orders every single day. If you want to go and play with the big boys, you can also come over to Fiverr and type in chatbot on the search bar, and over here will be people making a lot more money from this because Fiverr is a much bigger website that gets a lot more traffic. Let me just filter this into the US dollar currency. And over here, you can see people all over this website charging, for example, $250 to make a studio chatbot, $275, $10, $20, $30, $2,000, which is quite expensive actually, $35, $10, $250, $95, so anywhere between $5,000 and apparently $2,000 people are charging to make these kind of chatbots on Fiverr. And if I have a look, you can see this website definitely has a lot more competition, but Fiverr is the website you want to go for as well. So go and post your gig on Fiverr. Also go and post on peopleperhour.com. You can double the traffic to your gigs and double your chances of earning from this. Just as an extra bonus, you can come over to Conquer.io to 3 times your potential traffic and earnings with selling your chatbot, because since now you've got a gig listed on People Per Hour, Fiverr and Conquer, the more traffic, the more potential sales, the more potential revenue. Go and search chatbot on Conquer.io. And over here, you can see there's currently only 6. There's only 6 people currently listed their gig on this website. So there's no competition at all. But if you list your gig for selling a chatbot, you will list on the top page over here, simply because no one's offering the service on this website. So this is a great gap in the market for selling these chatbots. So go to Conquer.io, click on Start Selling on the top right over here, and go and list your gig. Alright, quickly before I go, I just wanted to announce the winner of yesterday's 6-figure Drop Servicing University program. This person on the screen over here won yesterday's program. Well done to you. All you need to do is DM me on Instagram. I'll put my handle over here. Message me and we can sort out your giveaway from there. Don't forget about today's giveaway. Comment down below how many times I said the word chatbot. You need to have left a like and subscribe with the red notification bell as well to enter this giveaway. In tomorrow's video, I'll put your name on the screen if you won that $20. On the screen over here, I'm going to leave a video on how I made over $11,000 in just 3 months with posting unlimited ads on over 70 websites, getting tons of free traffic without spending a dime, and sold affiliate products, drop servicing products, and multiple courses, and made a total of $11,000. So I recommend go and click on this video over here to learn how to do this skill, and I'll see you over there.